Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this is a quick update for those of you that participated in the Bubble Airdrop campaign. So guys, you can see on the screen, this update is from Bubble official X account. As you can see guys, season 1 of Bubble Farming has officially wrapped up. A huge thanks to everyone who participated. Important dates to note: you can see 7th of June, 10 a.m. UTC, wallet address assignment start at, you can see the website, June 12th, 10 a.m. UTC, wallet address assignment and okay. So on the 13th of June, 10 a.m. UTC, you'll be able to claim your Bubble token depending on the points you have. So for those of you that participated in the social fi and the gamify part of this airdrop campaign, please make sure to do this as quick as possible. So for those of you watching this video now, please make sure to do this, and if you have friends that participated in this campaign, please make sure to share this video to them and don't forget to give it a like. So I'm going to show you guys how to connect or assign your wallet to Bubble for claiming on the 13th of June 2024. So what you need to do is to either visit their official Twitter account and copy this link, or you can check the description of this video to copy the link. So after copying the link, what you need to do is to take it to your extension browser. If you are using a mobile device, you can take it to any of your extension browser, or you can take it to your normal browser and paste the address there, then make sure to visit it. Sorry, paste the link, make sure to visit it, wait for it to load. So now what you need to do is to connect the Twitter account you use in participating in this campaign. So click on connect with X, wait for it to load. Alright guys, looking on the screen, sign in, confirm that you're not a robot. Alright, verify, done. Now click connect with X. So take it to any of your browser that you can connect your Twitter account with. So I'm going to authorize this. Alright guys, then just click on authorize. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, it's going to bring you here. You're going to see Bubble Farming has ended, assign a wallet for the airdrop. So airdrop farming season 1. So please take note of this. The vesting scheduled for Bubble farmers is as follows: 40% is unlocked on the claim date, and the remaining 60% is vested daily over a period of 6 months. So wallet assignment ends in 4 days, 19 hours as of the time of making this video. So you can see Bubble point, bring it down, social point. So they are still gathering the points. Then you take it down. Then you are going to see assign wallet. Then you click on assign wallet. Now what you need to do is to select MetaMask. If you are using your mobile phone, you can download the Yandex browser, or you can download Missy's browser. Make sure to import your MetaMask wallet. So I guess a lot of you already know how to do it. So far you participated in Bubble campaign. So what you need to do, copy the link, take it to any of your extension browser on your mobile phone, be it Missy's browser or Kiwi browser or Yandex browser. Then make sure to download MetaMask extension. If you don't know how to download MetaMask extension, you can check on YouTube on how to get MetaMask extension on a extension browser like Yandex, Kiwi, or be it Mrs. browser. Then after that, make sure to import your MetaMask seed phrase. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, create a new wallet. Then after that, visit the Bubble site, click on assign wallet, then it's going to direct you here. Select MetaMask, then it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to enter your password. Alright guys, so after that you just unlock. Alright, so you click next, then you click confirm. It's going to take you back to the site. Oops, it looked like you are on the wrong network, so you just need to click on switch network. Then it's going to direct you back to your MetaMask wallet. Now you click on switch network. Okay, so click here again, click MetaMask. Right, then it's going to direct me back. Let me see if I have successfully linked my wallet to the site. Now you click sign. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, congrats on Bubble farming. So I've successfully connected my wallet to the Bubble site. So this is what you need to do as a time of making this video. So guys, make sure to do this as quick as possible because we have 4 days 19 hours as a time of making this video. So I just hope this is profitable and hope you have enough points because those points are going to be converted to bubble token at the end. So I'm still going to keep you guys updated on this project, and I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more brains to your world.